What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover BillEase account. So if you're looking for a way to recover your BillEase account here, well, there are a few details that we need to understand first. Now, the thing or how BillEase work here is if you access your account setting here and go to the very bottom, as you can see, there's the delete account option. Now, if you choose this option here, there are a lot of disclaimer here. Like for example, if you delete your account, it is permanent. Now, meaning if you delete your account, there's no way for you to recover your account, which is kind of unfortunate here. Now, you also lose your credit limit here and a lot more. So, if you're sure, you typically just type in delete here and click on delete forever. Now, that's how BillEase work here. So if you delete your account, it's going to be permanent. So there's no going around that one. But just in case, like for example, you've just forgotten your password and you want to recover your account, how do you do that? So let's go and just log out real quickly here. And as you can see, we are inside the app itself. Now, inside the app, what we need to do is you want to go and choose the option here for forgot password. So you want to go and just click on the forgot password option. And what you need to do is you just need to follow the on-screen steps here. So first is you need to enter your mobile or email address here. And once you click on reset, they will send a link. And also they may require you to enter a passcode here in order for you to reset your password. But yeah, so that's the way for you to recover your account here in BillEase. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.